Hello and welcome back to Mini Resin Chef, where we are a community of adult collectors and creators of miniatures. I'm your host Resin Bell, and today is National Strawberry Day. Today we're going to be making 3 different Miniverse Remix recipes using strawberries, so stay tuned for that, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's get cooking with resin. Okay, so we're going to be making a strawberry salad with a poppy seed dressing, and we're going to be using some various supplies from the pantry. The romaine salad, we got some little mint leaves in here, we've got some sliced strawberries, croutons, olive oil, and then we have a little bit of the bird seed from the chickadee feeder. We're going to be making our poppy seed dressing using that. So let's get started. So I'm going to put a little bit of my lettuce in here. I don't want to put too much, but just enough. Get one of those leaves up there on top. Let's try one more. Put this one in there as well because that gives it a little bit of color variation. I'm going to throw in my strawberries. This is going to be so fun. Okay. Get some of my strawberries in there. Lots of strawberries in my salad. I hadn't used this one apparently. This one's a lot more yellow than I thought. So let's grab some of the vinegar instead because I know it's clear and that's what I'm looking for. Just get a little dollop on there. Just want to kind of toss that a little bit. That's cute. So I'm going to cure that real quick. Alright, so while that's curing, I'm going to mix up my dressing, I guess I could call it, my poppy seed dressing. Add a little bit of this clear, and I might actually add in a little bit of that yellowish olive oil color just to give it a little variety. A lime green. You don't want to use too much of that. Alright. Say that those are poppy seeds and maybe some nuts, because those are good in a strawberry salad, so that looks pretty good. I'm gonna go with that. Okay, I love how that turned out. So the next thing I need to do is add our poppy seed dressing. Just gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna smooth this around a little bit with some nuts. I'm not too mad about that. That looks pretty good. And now we're going to add in a couple of these little mint leaves just on top to give it a little bit more detail. A couple of these. Let's add one right here. And maybe one more down here, perhaps. Yeah, I like that. Just for some variety, maybe one last one. Down over here. Yeah, I like that. That looks cute. All right, a couple of croutons. Y'all, I can't get over how cute these croutons are. I mean, they're kind of insane how detailed they are. Look how detailed that is. I mean, even the edge looks like bread. So cute. Okay, so just a couple of croutons. Maybe this little one here. Drop it right there. And let's see, where else do we want one? Maybe one down in here. That's perfect. And maybe another one up in there. And one down here. Just push it down in there a little bit. And let's see, should we put another one? Maybe we'll put another one right down in that side there. Yeah, that's lovely. Excellent. All right, I like it. We're gonna cure that. And you know what else we need? We need a fork. We need a fork for our salad. Let's put our fork right down here. Yeah, just right there. I think I'm gonna put that crouton there instead. And yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Awesome, let's cure it. So while that is curing, we're gonna go ahead and move on to our strawberry daiquiri. So we're gonna take our little salt here. We'll shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. We're gonna create a little dipping spot here for our sugars. I'm going to pretend that's sugar. We can take a little bit of clear resin and get a little bit here. Okay. We don't want tons, we just want enough to make those salt sugars stick. Alright, now we're going to stick that into the sugar or the salts, however you want to call it. Yes, that looks cool. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, let's cure that. Okay, so while that's curing, I just want to tell you where I got this little faux straw. It's a little stripy straw. It's not hollow, but it just looks like a little stripy straw. Now, I saw this hack on, is it Cece's Toy channel? Something like that, but I will put a link into her channel in the description box below. I can't remember the exact name of it right off the top of my head, but she took one of these. This is a little straw container from the, I think it's OG Dolls at Target. It's the American Girl knockoff dolls at Target, and they have a set that has a milkshake maker, and it comes with this little thing here, and it has these little stripy straws in it. Well, the lid is actually glued on to the tube, so you have to very, very carefully and strugglingly take the lid off, and you can break that seal if you're very, very careful so that you don't crack your thing. But once you get that off, it's actually the right size for the Miniverse straws, so you can store all of your Miniverse straws in there, and you know, you have all those straws. But I thought this little stripy one would look really cute in our strawberry daiquiri, so that's where that came from. And I will leave a link to her channel in the description box below, because I thought that was just a genius idea and I love it. Okay, so now that that is cured, it looks pretty darn cool. It works out really well. We're going to take this juice, I guess. I don't remember what drink this is from, but it has a very nice strawberry looking, the lid is bright pink, but the juice is more strawberry looking, if you can see it. But we're gonna mix that with the super fine crushed ice to create our daiquiri. So let's get some resin in there first. Oh, that's going to be cool looking, maybe a little pink, but we're gonna work with it. It's hard to tell what it looks like in the container, but alrighty then. So we'll start that way. Kind of love how that looks. Okay. Add a little bit more. I thought the strawberry would look good first, but now I'm thinking maybe not. Oh my goodness. Stop moving. Okay. All right. We're going to call that good. Okay, so let's get on to our gorgeous dessert here. We're going to be taking one of these chocolate cake cubes and one of our chocolates here. We're going to make us a little chocolate cake. Create a little drizzle on this strawberry. And I'm going to cure each one. Just a flash cure, just to hold it in place. I'm going to add a little bit of chocolate right here. No bubbles. No bubbles. Okay. All right. I'm going to hold that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a couple of little drips on the side here, just to give it a little more detail. Okay, I like that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do a final cure and stick that in the oven just to make sure all that resin is nice and cured, and we'll do that. Okay guys, I really love how these turned out. I think the strawberry daiquiri drink probably looks a little more like a, I don't know, strawberry smoothie or a strawberry shake, but I'm okay with that. We may try to do the strawberry daiquiri again in the future so that it doesn't look quite so hot pink, but I still love how it turned out because that's just so much fun. You can see a little bit of the strawberries down in there, and yeah, I just love how it turned out. It's so cute. Even when your stuff doesn't turn out how you plan it, it's still freaking cute because it's such a cute Miniverse details and stuff. They make for great remixes. So my little strawberry salad really turned out great. I love the little poppy seed details and all the little greenery in there. They have so many different pieces and parts, I guess you would call it, with so much detail, like the little mint leaves and the shredded salad and the croutons and just so many things that you can turn into something else, like the bird seed for the poppy seeds. It just really makes remixes a lot of fun, and there are so many different types that you can make. And then of course our cute little chocolate strawberry cake dessert with the chocolate strawberry on top. I love how this one turned out as well. Super cute. And this is just a plate from Temu, I think. But I love just having a little bit of a smaller dessert plate for that. So that's really fun. You can make little portions as well. So I had so much fun with this, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button and that subscribe button, and check the links in the description box below to support this channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Ciao!